Morning. I've just finished my exercise, so in my exercise gear, plus this will make sense in a sec, I'm going to do the MORO reflex. Now, there's no great way to do this without having a cameraman handy and doing it from above, and I'll probably try to do one from another angle at some stage, but I've got a few minutes, so I thought I would do it now. Now, the MORO reflex, especially this year, is going wild with people across the world because the MORO reflex is about fear. It's about anxiety, it's about survival. So I thought I would show you the MORO exercise and basically talk through what happens as we do it. So now can I see? Nope, not quite there. Okay. So start with your right leg on top and your right arm on top and your head lifted. And what you want to do for a minute is slowly open out your arms and your legs. Now the MORO reflex is a primitive reflex that's active in the womb from about 6 to 8 weeks in utero, and it helps us crawl out the birth canal. And then it's active for the first 2 to 4 months of life. And it is all about survival. So you spend about a minute coming out, 30 seconds to a minute, holding for a few seconds, rest your head if you need to, but otherwise keep your head up, and then slowly again coming back in, and once again having the right leg and the right arm on top. And you start to feel that some of the muscles are really struggling at this point. And then hold and then relax. So doing this once in the morning, once at night time, what it does is starts to activate the frontal cortex, which is where we do things. It's our motivation, it's our action. But in underneath here are receptors for just about every muscle in your body. So the act of doing something weird, like the MORO reflex exercise, which obviously we don't race around doing all the time, doing something like that helps to make the brain go, where is that pattern? Where is that MORO reflex that I haven't done since I was 4 months old? Well, the MORO reflex lives in behind the brain stem. So every time we do that exercise, we are connecting the frontal cortex and the rear of the brain into the survival patterns. So it's an incredibly little powerful process to do on a daily basis. And it just helps to keep connecting those pathways in the brain. It's not a bad idea to keep some rescue remedy on hand when you're doing it or something like that because it can actually activate old stresses for us if we're not aware, but then just run through some of the amygdala protocols that we've got on the channel as well. So anyway, that's just my little tip for the morning. So that's the MORO reflex, MORO, and it's quite an amazing thing to do. But I'm going to do it every couple of days for a few weeks and just throw in more and more information so that if you're doing this at home, you start to hear some stories about who I've had do it over the years and the things that people have got out of it. Okay, take care. Have a good one.